Hello, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a very simple recipe, but it's delicious. For this very simple chicken dish, I cheated a little bit. I am using leftover nahari masala. So today I'm using half a cut up chicken, half thinly sliced onions, 2 tablespoons of nahari masala, and my usual suspects, which are yogurt, ginger, garlic, and salt. Let the fun begin. So let's cook it. I'm back to my favorite pressure cooker, and I have 4 tablespoons of canola oil in it, and my onions will go in, and I'll half fry them. I've turned off the heat. This is the color I want. It's not too dark brown. And I'll just take it out. To this, I'm going to add the nahari masala, a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of ginger and garlic, and then I'll fry it for a little bit. Turn the heat back on. There you go. This is packaged nahari masala, available in any grocery store, Indian or Pakistani. In the meantime, I'm putting the onions in and my favorite ingredient, yogurt. 4 tablespoons of yogurt. To this, I'm going to add a little bit of water and let it go. The masala is grainy, so now I'm going to add chicken to it and the yogurt and onion mixture, and then cook it down again. Oh, believe me, it's gonna turn out so delicious. For all my recipes and ingredients, please go to shebasrecipes.com. You can always cook without pressure cooker, but it's going to take a little bit longer. It took about 15 minutes for all the yogurt to cook down and the masala to get grainy. So now, last step, I'm going to add a cup of water to it and cook it in pressure cooker for 5 minutes, and your delicious curry will be done. Look at the color. Isn't it yummy? And now the heat is, I've turned on the heat on high, and I'm just waiting for the pressure to come up. So I'm going to turn the heat on medium and cook it for 5 minutes. So let's open it. Ta-da! Here's the chicken curry. Easy, simple, delicious date night chicken curry. Thank you for watching my videos. See ya. Bye.